Pang ano si Maricel. Kasali sa number 4 sila. Good job! Over there. Over there. She's the third one. She's the third one. You need the red. Open your big eyes.
The green cap.
Yeah, she's the...
They're doing 50. They go back. They go 2 minutes. Go.
Go! Good job! Ayan. Ito yung swim meet nila guys. Swim competition. Go, Joycey! I know. Ayan. Today is June. Mary Joyce, 200 freestyle relay, A3. Joshua kanina, number 22 boys, 100 freestyle relay, AB. Kay Joyce ito eh. Ayan, yung mga kasama niya. June 10, 2026 tayo ngayon. Ayan na si Joyce. Go, Joyce! Go, Mary Joyce! Go! Go, Joyce!
He's not allowed, so you can't.
Go, Joyce! Go, Joyce! Fast, Joyce! Go! Let's go! Go, Joyce! Let's go! Yes! Let's go. Good job, honey! Tingnan natin pang... Oh, may nauna na. Ito na, oh. May nauna. First, second. Sila doon. Murag... Oh! Naana. Fourth. Okay. Go, 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 go! Pang ilan kaya sila? May nauna na. First, second, third, fourth. Pang 5 sila. Ayan ang group ni Mary Joyce. Good job! Yay! Ayan, today is June 10, 2026 swim meet swim competition. Kay Joyce, first niya. Meron pa siyang ano eh, mamaya. Ayan, meron pa siya mamaya. Mary Joyce. Ayan, meron pa siyang 50 try. Ayan. Yan yung una.